gonna call you. I gonna call you. Yeah, I gonna call you back. I can get I address now. You want I address? Hello.
I told you I was gonna call you back. Like seriously, if you call me again, this is ridiculous.
But I want to talk to your daughter. Stop.
I don't even know who you are. Why do you keep calling me daughter? I'm not your daughter.
I come from Jamaica. Is it so?
You have to be my dad. You know my dad is when he was like 50.
So how old are you? Daughter, I just ask you.
I'm not your daughter. Call me daughter every time I'm calling the cops.
You don't, but you don't.
We can figure this out. I mean, I call my real dad. We can really figure this out.
You don't need to go so far, daughter. I just want to get to know you see it?
You don't want to get to know yourself? Because that's what you're saying. I want to get to know I meaning you.
No, when I say I, daughter, I mean you. Daughter, when... Listen there, no man, you talk. Listen, listen up. Daughter, listen the I know. The I want to get to know you. The I want to play with your cushion, daughter. Just listen the I know. Huh? I speak English. The I try to make you learn.
That's not English, I'm sorry.
The I try to make. Listen to the I know, stop. You want the I get mad. Listen to the I know.
I'm not getting upset, sweetheart. Sorry, I was not getting upset.
Daughter, the I is not your son, daughter.
We call the cops, we can figure this out, okay? I'm sorry you're doing the thing. Did you miss your daughter? We call the cops and find this.
Daughter, the I don't like how you move, you know.
Huh?
The I don't like how you move. The I try to explain something to you.
I really don't want to hear an explanation. We can call the cops. It's okay.
Daughter, you don't have to take it so far.
You're missing your daughter.
The I don't fear the Babylon, you know.
Figure this out.
The I don't fear the Babylon.
I mean, like, if we don't do all that, you know, but I want my name all out there like that, because, you know,
Daughter,
I'm not probably going to say upset.
daughter, the I see a picture on Facebook, you know.
Have sex with him.
The I see a picture on Facebook, you know. That's why I call you, you know.
Why did you like it then?
Why did I like
Why didn't you like not do something to the retard?
I just go on Facebook. I don't understand Facebook like that. I just look one picture.
Facebook. Like, can you understand English? Like, can you read? I don't.
Daughter,
I don't know if you can, because you keep calling yourself I.
I is a RASTA, daughter. I try break that down in your head. I want you to have I baby. I want to start a family. I gonna call you back. I gonna still.
You want me to like check you into like rehab, asylum? Like, I mean, do you want to go somewhere? Like, I don't understand. I'm trying to.
Alright. I want to go into your heart. I want to be your baby father.
You want to go to my heart? That would be really weird. Like, because if you go to my heart, I'm pretty sure I would die.
I know say you girls like. I know say you girls.
I'm gonna call you like
I gonna call you.
So.
I gonna call you. Yeah, I gonna call you back.
I'll let you know what happens. So they want to come to your house, like we can. I got you.
I can get I address now. You want I address?